crossword puzzle. Type the best answer in each blank and complete the crossword puzzle. Across. Number 4. Hammurabi's code followed the idea of blank. Number 6. Hammurabi's code was one of the first sets of blank to be written down for a state. Number 7. Under Hammurabi's code, the state punished the offender for breaking the law instead of individuals getting blank. Number 9. 200 years after blank died, the Babylonian Empire fell to new invaders. Number 10. The land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers is part of the blank. Now we're looking at the choices going down. Number 1. The Sumerian city-states were often at blank with each other. Number 2. A blank is a city and the farmland that surrounds it. Number 3. Punishments for breaking the law were different for the rich and the blank, and for men and women. Number 5. The Babylonian Empire started when nomadic warriors blank Mesopotamia. And number 8. Copies of Hammurabi's code were carved in stone and placed all over the blank.